What is going on YouTube? I'm back with another video, and I want to take a quick minute to kind of talk to you guys about a couple of things that I've already done to this my Chevy Silverado LTZ. I just got a tonneau cover placed on this thing. It's a low profile tonneau cover that I actually got off of Amazon. It was cheap. It was like 240 bucks. But thank goodness I had an Amazon gift card that my neighbor gave me. Since I'm taking care of the yard, they're in the process of selling their house. So they gave me this gift card. I was going to look for something a little bit more long lasting, but I saw this one online. It's a low profile tonneau cover. I think it's pretty neat. It's not the fancy roll up one that you have to have that metal or that aluminum or vinyl up under it. As you can see, it is a Tyger tonneau cover. And what I actually did was, as you can see, I took off the badging that was located right here. I don't like advertising for people. Again, car brands are totally different, but this truck brands are totally different, but I went ahead and took that off. As you can see on the back of my Sierra, I don't have the actual dealership that I actually purchased the vehicle from. I don't mind telling people it's Hendrix, but it's not really my thing. Real quick with this, and again, it's not a long video. It pops up here, pull it on one side, and it folds up like this. I think that's pretty neat. And then you just slam it down, and you're good to go. What I also like too is, I know when most people first put these things on, these Velcro strips here that's located on it, you can actually pull these to make it more tighter, so you get a more smooth look all the way around, which is what I did. But I definitely think it definitely adds to the truck. And as you can see, again, when I step back and kind of give you a more profile look at it, and again, those wheels look absolutely incredible. I like the way those wheels look. But that tonneau cover on the back of it, you don't see a lot of poke up on it. And again, I'm sitting at an angle as far as in the parking lot, but you can still see it just still looks very, very, very cool. So a real cheap, easy mod on the truck. But one thing I will say about Tyger, they do a horrible job with their instruction book. It took me a minute to figure it out, because at first, especially around this area up here, I didn't think it actually fit the cover, but I actually had to push this area here upward, because originally it told me to sit it down up underneath, and it wasn't working. So the whole time I'm like, man, this is crazy. It doesn't even work, and they tell me it fit. So I had a neighbor that came over to kind of help me troubleshoot it, and he was like, oh, you need to push it up a little bit, and then it snapped right in, and there was no issue outside of that. I mean, it's a nice looking tonneau cover. I really think it really goes well with the truck, but as far as instructions, they need to do a little bit better. But I think this is a smooth, easy mod that anybody can do on the truck. But guys, that's pretty much the video. I just kind of want to shoot something quick and give you another good look at those beautiful wheels I got put on the truck. And as always, guys, like, share, subscribe. I have another video coming out later on this week, probably more so about my likes and dislikes about the Chevy Silverado, because now I've had about a little over 1,000 miles in this thing. So I definitely want to give you guys my perspective of the 25 Silverado. So guys, stay tuned, and as always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.